Thank you.
Okay.
It's supposed to be for a manual Supra.
Okay. Deposit we take after we confirm on the car.
Yeah. It's right here, right? Pretty sure.
Yeah, just signature. Yeah. That's you. I put a note. Deposit 500.
I bought a Supra. Sort of. I put a deposit on a Supra, specifically a 2023 Supra. The reason I did is I was actually able to get a really good deal at MSRP. So I'm not sure if you guys know, but if you go anywhere in the US right now and try to buy a Supra or try to reserve one, there is going to be a huge markup between $5,000 all the way to $15,000 markup. So the retail, the one I want, is roughly around $58,000, $59,000. With the markup, it's going to be near $70,000. And at that point, you might as well just buy like an M3 or possibly a Porsche. So I'm really excited on that. But for today, I want to do a overview of how much did I spend on my 8.6. From the body kit to the turbo kit to all the modifications I've done to it. I'm getting ready right now to go do a photo shoot with one of the homies. He moved down here from out of state not too long ago, so we've been planning this for a while. Once we get down there, I'll go ahead and do that breakdown in my car. My glasses are super glary. I bought this bag not too long ago. I've been needing one for a while. I just never really bought one or really saw a need for one until a recent photo shoot I did where I didn't have enough bag space in my little handbag I had. So I hope this helps a lot with future content. But yeah, let's get this packed and on our way.
I did my first night shot with him, and it was a success.
That's my favorite one. My favorite ones are night shots of all things, but oh, sick. Wait, so what team is this?
Team DDR.
Is that from Bakersfield?
No, they're in California. They're just all around. More like in the
Daily
San Diego
Driven
area,
Revolution.
but they have more Evos and Subis.
Bro, this thing's freaking sick.
It's alright.
I can unlock it. Can you put my bag in the car too? Please.
Didn't you even put it in the car?
This is on top. This seems like a quiet neighborhood.
I think he's calling me.
Cool. Yeah, I think the photographer is here now. I think he's pulling up. You got a rock stuck in the thing? What's up, man? I'm Vlad. Nice to meet you. Gerald? Where was it stuck at? I thought you had some like freaking track pads on. I'm like, what the? I could hear it all the way over there. Alright, bro, what's the issue?
That was horrific driving over here, dude.
Yeah. When did they kick in? When did that happen?
Like halfway through here,
Oh shit.
and then I just like, I'm gonna turn up the music. I don't want to hear this shit.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad, man. How far was the drive for you?
Like 30 minutes.
It's going like black.
You want it right here. What kind of just angle though?
You want to diagonal it? Okay, I think we're here. The photographer is getting us all set up right now. I'm sweating now.
Well,
I've been wanting this for a while.
I kind of thought of the idea. I'm like,
Yeah.
I remember walking the dogs and saw the scenery. I'm like, maybe this would be cool.
Well, no, I'm jealous about the wrap color. Okay, hopefully this isn't too exposed. But we're at the spot right now. We're gonna do an overview after he's done taking photos, and now I'm probably gonna do a little bit of photo shoot myself and see how that goes.
As soon as
as I send him the picture, he'll probably know exactly what it is.
Well, that's good. I hope he likes the photos.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
It's nice
Take
meeting
care.
you.
Drive safe.
You guys are leaving? Alright, cool.
Yeah, we're gonna stay here to do our
Yeah.
video.
We'll send you.
Yeah,
Probably.
whatever.
Nice meeting you.
Let's do it tomorrow. I'll probably get someone done tomorrow. Alright.
Don't even rush it, dude. Alright, so they're gone. We'll go ahead and do our build overview of everything I've done to the car. Let me pop the hood real quick. Alright, so one of the first things you're obviously going to see is that it does have a Pandem V3 kit. That one I got not too long ago. I did do all the work myself on the kit. I didn't do any body work, so don't look too much into it. I was really excited on trying to get it all together. So I literally just told my friend, hey, paint it, and I could just put it on. So I still need to finish a few things. There's little pit holes on the side skirt and getting the fit a little bit better than I want. The main thing that I don't like about the fitment is definitely the front bumper and fender. If you look close enough, it's not flush, so I definitely need to work on that, but that's definitely gonna be another weekend project. Another big thing you're gonna see is obviously the wheels. These are Work VSXX, and they're custom made by Sensei 6 over in California. This one took a long time. I don't know if you guys know, but if you try to custom order wheels from Japan, they're probably gonna take a while. I ordered these around COVID-19 time, so it took around 11 to 12 months to actually come from California. And once it arrived in California at Sensei 6, they went ahead and refinished it. So they went and got the neochrome hardware, and then I got a red and gold cap, and then the finish I believe is a gunmetal polish, and then I just got regular polished lip around there. Another thing I got is a Vis carbon trunk. I'm gonna try to put up all the pricing for you guys so you know the total amount I actually put in the car. I do have flex fuel in there. I'll go to the hood in a bit. I have a Tomei Type 80R catback exhaust. I also got 5% tint on the sides, 5% tint on the back, and then I believe 20% in the front. And I believe these are Rexpeed fender garnishes, and I believe I got these little badges from eBay. From the front, I got V-Land headlights, and I got those splitter rods. I don't remember the name from them. They're pretty expensive, but they're actually hooked up properly, unlike a lot of people here in Vegas. It's hooked up to the actual frame, so yeah, don't gotta worry about that. And then I got a Seibin carbon trunk that needs to be recoated. I never got it coated, and it's kind of turning yellow, so don't forget about that. From the inside, it is pretty dirty. I haven't really cleaned it since I got the car. I finished everything within 2 years, so within that time frame, this thing has seen a lot. You can see that there's no fender liners at all. Back when I was static, they would constantly rip, and I just gave up at that point. From here, you can see that I have an HKS turbo kit. I did myself as well. Whole story on that. I'll do another video on actually how the install process is, and is it even worth turboing your car. Over here you got an HKS oil cooler with an HKS oil cap. The oil cooler actually routes around to the front, right in there. I'm not sure if you could see it, but there is an oil cooler right there. Another thing that I got done to the car is that it's on Flex Fuel by Delicious Tuning. So I got about 3 or 4 tunes done by them. Really good people. They know their stuff, so if you ever need a tune, make sure to hit them up. But besides that, that's pretty much all the things from the outside. I did wrap the side mirrors and the roof myself. I tried doing the antenna, but that's a whole, but that was a little difficult, so I kind of just left it red. The exhaust setup is obviously HKS downpipe into a HKS dual resonated front pipe, and it goes back to that Tomei that I have. But yeah, the reason why I left that antenna kind of red is that from the top, looks pretty cool. You got your carbon hood, it goes into black. I was going to get a carbon roof, but that was a little expensive, and the install is a little bit time consuming. And then I have a carbon trunk, so it kind of looks cool. Kind of like a two-tone from all the way around up top. And then I decided to just leave the antenna red. Not only was it hard to wrap in black, but it kind of looks cool. It's two-tone. And then I got some anime stickers. So those were maybe $10 if that. And let's get into the trunk. So it is on air. I used to run it on coils, but over time I realized I do a lot more show than a lot more performance oriented stuff. So I decided to go air. This was done from a shop local here called A Plus Auto Sound. Really cool guys. They know their stuff too. I believe this might be the first or second time they ever even copper lines. So pretty cool. There's a dual compressor with, I believe, a 5-gallon tank. So it's got a lot of air. The only thing I'd recommend is actually getting it done professionally. If you route it yourself, it might be leaking air. So yeah, get it done professionally. Don't skip out. Oh yeah, and I also forgot I got Valenti Revo SB2s. These are kind of notorious for being a little bad in towards the actual quality on them. They tend to go out on the LEDs. Right here, the actual brake light tends to go out. A lot of my friends tend to have either 1 or 2 bulbs going out. They do have a warranty system, but if you're in the US, it might be a long time till you actually get a response back from them. If you did get it from a vendor or a distributor, contact them. They should be able to help out, but just know it might take almost a year to get your warranty. From the inside, I got a quick release from NRG and then a Momo steering wheel. And then I have a few Defi gauges from the oil pressure and then the boost. And then for the head unit, I got it from, I believe, eBay. And it's pretty good. It has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Pretty simple system. I'll try to link it down below. Here's Apple CarPlay connected. It's a really fast system. And sometimes whenever I go somewhere, I am able to download YouTube or Netflix, so you can do a hotspot to your phone, be able to play it. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up everything for the car. If I missed something, I'll make sure to notate it and put it in the description to see if there's any links for you guys. But I'm kinda hungry, so I'm gonna grab some food. Combo, no coleslaw, extra fry, 2 extra sauces with the bread bob and everything crispy.
Alrighty, gotcha. Anything else?
No, that's gonna be it.
Can I get your name from this order?
Yeah, it's gonna be for V or Vlad.
Total today is going to be 96 degrees, the first window.
Thank you. Yeah, for V. Your hair's a little messy.
Yeah, to be honest.
I like the car.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Alright, you're all.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Have a great night.
You too. Alright, finally home, and I am ready to eat. I'm pretty sure I forgot a lot of things while I was over there doing my overview on my car. So yeah, I'll make sure to put in the description anything I missed or just forgot to even mention at all. But yeah, I'm hungry. Cane's tends to be my favorite thing to eat whenever I go to any type of car meets or any type of photo shoots. So I'm excited. I haven't ate since this morning. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. He's yelling for help. He's like, stop taking videos and pictures of me. Get me out of here.
Call the cops. Shoot me down. Something.